welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about scamming, and this is a next level of scamming. UWI students are faking papers for immigration so they could get their J1 visa, and they caught up to them. So UWI, University of West Indies, sent out a advisory, and I'm gonna read it, and it says, the UWI Mona has received increasing reports of students submitting fraudulent transcripts to the U.S. Embassy in an attempt to obtain the J1 visa for the summer work travel program. The U.S. Embassy has advised the UWI Mona that while some leniency had been initially exercised, all confirmed cases involving the submission of fraudulent documents to obtain a visa will be referred to the police. So that means that they won't get charged for fraud. In addition, students could face the following penalties: denial of entry to the summer work program, lifetime ineligibility for any non-immigrant or immigrant U.S. visa, example B1, B2, J1, work visa, or a green card. Lifetime ineligibility. So if them do this, they're going to be banned for life. To date, one student of the UWI Mona campus has been arrested and charged with 2 counts of forgery, 2 counts of uttering false documents with a fine of $200,000 or the alternative 9 months in prison. Over 20 others could face lifetime ineligibility for the U.S. visas for submitting altered documents. All students are reminded that altering or falsifying university documents is a misconduct under the Code of Principles and Responsibilities for Students and could lead to expulsion from the university. We understand that the financial plight our students face and their desire to gain acceptance to the work travel program. We urge students to examine the serious long-term implications of their actions and make smart decisions about their future. Altering and falsifying documents have been criminal implications which will undoubtedly negatively impact future students and employees' prospects. So the good are going to suffer for the bad in this, because in order to get a J1 visa, all you need is a 2 point, well, what are the requirements? Not all you need. One of the requirements you need is to have a 2.0 GPA, and you're telling me that you can get a 2.0 GPA? Really? So I'm going to read some of the comments, and they say, I look at 2.0 GPA and I can't meet where you really are wasting the money for. Yep. Educated fools. I personally wish it wasn't so expensive so it could give even a fair chance, but still not saying doing fraud is right. I think it should be an easier program or different levels where everyone can have a chance. After all, some of them are really struggling, and it will help with a lot of school fee, exposure, work experience, and all that. Some who don't even have the money to come to school every day will never know what it's like to experience that exposure, and it's sad. Then again, I feel bad for those who are charged, but they should not attempt to do such things without the consequences being involved. So all of those presented the 4 documents, ask yourself this question: was it worth the risk of losing your freedom and getting expelled from school? Some people just making opportunities hard for other people. They may be soon put a halt on the program. Most people think that it's just meeting the requirement 2.0 GPA. However, it's not just that. Some people leave university and still want to go on the J1 program, so they still try to acquire a transcript by other means. Most times they get it from the school itself because they have friends in the office or they pay for it. UWI students are deemed to be the most prestigious. They're obviously fools. Shaking my head. No, them a go scar on a life, not even a green card. Shaking my head. I didn't even realize my phone was on. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that the good is going to suffer for the bad and they're going to put a halt on the J1 program WI, and the other students, which are about 20 as they said in the article, do you think that they're going to get arrested or fined, or what do you think about this? Because this is going to put a damper on a lot of university students. I mean, a lot of them come up to the US and work over the summer so they can pay for their tuition and pay for that year of schooling, books and all of that, transportation. Comment, share and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.